guys, so this is not a weight loss update, but I do want to tell you that I have lost 155 pounds. Now what I want to talk about is something that happened to me while I've been on the keto diet. My iron was extremely low, and I've been having trouble since I had my daughter 2.5 years ago. I had preeclampsia for a month and a half while I was pregnant with her, and I've been having trouble since then with my PTH level. It is too high, and my body is leaching calcium out of my bones right now. Okay, so that is a separate issue that has not been resolved, and it won't be resolved while I live in Israel. We have to do something about it in America. I have been on a wait list to see an endocrinologist for it for 2.5 years, and I haven't seen one. So this is an update to tell you something that happened to me while I was on the keto diet. I have extremely low iron, which blows my mind. I haven't been using a cast iron skillet like I usually do, so maybe that was helping me before. Not helping me now. I eat a lot of red meat, so I wouldn't expect that to happen. I eat green vegetables, broccoli, lettuce, etc. Stuff that you would expect to have iron in it at a good dose. I guess that didn't help me. These next couple of clips you're going to see, I actually filmed it in July 2018, is me talking about, like, I just found out online that it's probably an iron deficiency. I went and had my blood work done. My iron levels were completely, like, really low. They did give me supplements. I took supplements. It did not raise it. So they did give me an IV, 3 treatments. I was supposed to actually, I learned, supposed to actually have 2 treatments per, but I only had 1 treatment per, so I've had 3 treatments, and my last treatment was, with the IV. My last treatment was a few weeks ago. My first treatment with the cravings for ice did nothing. Second treatment, nothing. This third treatment, I don't think I've even really thought about it, and I can think about it now, and I don't really have a craving for ice. However, I haven't had my blood work done, and I need to get it done soon, but I'm guessing that my iron has raised because I don't crave ice right now. But here's the clips that I filmed in July that explains, like, what happened and how I felt like it was a problem. What is this?
Children.
Alright, just so you know, like, if you have not watched my videos before, I was suspecting that I had anemia because it started at winter time, okay, and everybody's vlogs, they had snow, and I felt like a crackhead and wanted to jump through the TV and eat the snow. So I said, this is not normal. I eat like a box of popsicles a day. I'm not kidding. It's becoming a problem. My teeth are extremely sensitive right now, like the back of my teeth in here. They feel like they are still frozen. I have actually, like, frozen my tongue where I couldn't feel it for like an hour because I can't stop eating the popsicles. I wake up in the middle of the night and I'm like, oh, I gotta get a popsicle. It's like an intense craving for ice. When I walk by the freezer section at the grocery store, I want to jump in and just put my mouth all over the ice. So I knew it was something. So I looked it up and it said it was an iron deficiency, anemia. So I guess, I don't know if they did a, like, you know how they drop the blood in the solution and then they see, like, what number your iron is depending on how fast it drops down. I don't know if they did that or not. Anyway, I'm deficient. I've been taking iron supplements for about a month and a half or so, and a pretty high dosage every single day. And I don't know if it's brought it up, but yeah, I definitely got to get this taken care of. A lot of people told me that I was going to have a, what do you even call it? That thing that goes into your arm, a needle? A needle? IV. Some people said that I would have to have an IV, like, infusion of
iron. So they said afterwards they had no craving for ice. This is a very common thing to crave ice. Just saying it sounds ridiculous. You crave ice. Ice doesn't have a flavor. Ice is everything to me right now. I'm losing my marriage because of ice. No, really. But my husband's very upset because these popsicles are not cheap. They're sugar-free. And they're not cheap. They're like $8 a box, and I'm not even kidding. No, they're really expensive. And there's only 10 in them. And he buys 2 at a time. And it's really expensive for us, okay? Like, I'm going through a pack a day. And I can't help it. I have to do it. Or I won't be able to sleep. I won't be able to function. It's an addiction at this point. And I've tried to, because it hurts my teeth so bad that I don't want to do it. It's literally, I'm a crackhead. Anyway, I need to get it taken care of. I need it taken care of, like, now, pronto. So, I do have some kidney issues. I have too much calcium leaching from my bones right now. I have too much calcium that is coming out of my bones right now. PKT or something. I forget what the name of the test is. Anyway, I have too much calcium coming out of my bones, and my kidneys have to filter that out. They did say that I would have to have another surgery. If I'm going to do that, I need to, like, get on top of it right now, because I'm not going to be able to have, like, really good health insurance for a while in the States. So I need to get it here now, and we're leaving. So I need to hurry up on all of my medical issues and just get everything fixed before we go to the States. Oh, okay, I'm reading down here. Anemia caused by iron deficiency. A hunger for strange substances such as paper, ice, or dirt. A condition called pica. I don't have an upward curvature of my nails. Soreness of the mouth with cracks at the corners. I don't have any problem with my mouth or the cracks, like, in the corners or anything. My lips are pretty normal. I do have sores in my mouth, but I'm attributing that, like sores on my tongue, they came back. I'm attributing it to the fluidiform, because I'm also getting sores around my nose. And I'm pretty sure that has something to do with my fluidiform. So, you know, one day I'm probably going to be all healed up and I won't have any deficiencies. And, like, I can't wait until that day, because I'm wondering, am I going to have a lot of energy? Am I not ever going to be sick? Like, can this go away? I think this is compared to my breathing issue that I had for the past 3 years that is now very well medicated, and I can actually breathe now. If I am, fatigued, if I'm fatigued right now from iron deficiency, then when I get this corrected, I am going to be just so healthy. I'm gonna be normal. I can't wait until that day, because if I'm fatigued right now, this is like 1/10 of the fatigue that I had with my breathing problem. Like, I was so fatigued that I was done at like 10 o'clock in the morning. My life was done. But I still had to go until like 8 o'clock p.m. because I had to cook dinner, and I had to make dinner, and I had to make lunch, and I had to raise a kid, and all the other things that you have to do when you're still sick and you have young children and no one to help you. So I'm doing really well right now. Really well. Yeah. So I can't wait to get this fixed.
Okay, so that was my whole story. Let me know if you have low iron while on a keto diet. I would not have ever imagined that my iron would be low on keto while eating a lot of red meat. and I do eat a lot of red meat, more than what is recommended. Definitely more than what's recommended. And while I was pregnant, that's all that I craved really was hamburgers. So like I said, I have lost 155 pounds and I haven't updated you, but I will update you on the things that I did to lose 155 pounds. And that video will be coming up soon.
I can put my sock on.
Yeah. All right, guys. See you later. Take care. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check out last week's video and my other channels, Fully Living, Fully Cooked, and Fully Fun. Have a great day.